Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a Google map in Google Sites. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So first visit sites.google.com, then click on the website you want to add your Google map on. This is my website in Google Sites, and let's say that I want to add a map between this form and this home section. So select the above section. In my case, it's this home section, and make sure you are in the insert tab and scroll down to map. Click on it. Search for the Google map location you want to add. For example, let's look for NYC Pizza. Let's say this location is mine, and click on insert. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video and audio, etc. Also, how to create forms, maps, and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons, and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking, and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors, and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo Email Marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger, Website Builder, and Hostinger Email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Search for the Google map location you want to add. For example, let's look for NYC Pizza. Let's say this location is mine, and click on insert. As you see, it was added like that. You can adjust the map size like this. Don't forget to click on the publish button, and let's view the result. And this is my Google map. Now, and this is how to add a Google map in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.